Welcome to our tutorial on how to create interactive votes in Skype. Are you looking to engage your audience, make decisions collaboratively, or simply gather opinions in your Skype meetings? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set up interactive voting within Skype. For this, open Skype and go to any group where you want to create polls for vote. Then click on 3 horizontal dots at bottom right corner. Next, click on Create Poll option. In this poll pop-up, just provide your poll questions in Questions text field. I do not allow multiple option to select, so I uncheck this checkbox. Here you can give the date where you want to ends up your Skype poll. If this date and time pass away, then no one can vote after that set date and time. Under Options field, you can provide the options for the above questions. After this, click on Create Poll button. You can see poll has been created and user can only select one option. You can see the text saying that poll expire in this date and time. Click on View Details to see who has vote on which option. If you want to delete this poll, then click on 3 dots next to poll and then click on Remove. In this way we create poll or votes in Skype. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.